Persönliche Finanzen sind die Grundlage für eine effektive Verwaltung Ihres Geldes, unabhängig von Ihrem Alter oder Hintergrund. Das Verständnis der finanziellen Grundlagen befähigt Sie, fundierte Entscheidungen über Sparen, Ausgeben und Investieren zu treffen. Es hilft Ihnen, häufige Fallstricke wie Schulden und finanziellen Stress zu vermeiden und bereitet Sie auf zukünftige Ziele wie den Kauf eines Hauses oder einen komfortablen Ruhestand vor. Indem Sie diese wesentlichen Konzepte beherrschen, gewinnen Sie mehr Kontrollen über Ihr finanzielles Wohlbefinden und legen den Grundstein für langfristigen Erfolg.
Budgeting is a crucial skill for managing your finances effectively. By keeping track of your income and expenses, you gain a clear understanding of where your money is going each month. This awareness helps you identify areas where you can cut back and prioritize your spending according to your goals. Regularly reviewing your budget allows you to make informed decisions, avoid unnecessary debt, and build a more secure financial future. An emergency fund serves as a financial safety net, providing security during unexpected events such as job loss, medical emergencies, or urgent repairs. Having savings set aside helps prevent the need to rely on credit cards or loans, which can lead to debt and financial stress. By consistently contributing to an emergency fund, individuals can handle unforeseen expenses with greater confidence and peace of mind. This proactive approach is essential for maintaining financial stability and ensuring that life's surprises don't derail long-term goals. Debt comes in many forms, including credit cards, student loans, mortgages, and personal loans. Each type of debt has its own terms and interest rates, which determine how much you ultimately pay over time. Interest is the cost of borrowing money, and it can accumulate quickly if balances are not paid off promptly. To manage debt effectively, it's important to understand your repayment options, such as making more than the minimum payment or consolidating loans. Developing a clear strategy can help you reduce interest costs and pay off your debts more efficiently. Investing is a powerful way to build wealth and secure your financial future. Stocks represent ownership in a company and offer the potential for growth, though they can be more volatile. Bonds, on the other hand, are essentially loans to governments or corporations, providing more stable but typically lower returns. Retirement accounts, such as 401ks and IRAs, allow you to invest in these assets while enjoying tax advantages. By understanding and combining these investment options, you can create a balanced strategy to help your money grow over time. Credit scores are numerical representations of your creditworthiness, typically ranging from 300 to 850. Lenders use these scores to assess how likely you are to repay borrowed money, which can impact your ability to secure loans, credit cards, or even rent an apartment. A higher credit score often means better interest rates and more favorable terms. To maintain a healthy credit rating, it's important to pay bills on time, keep credit card balances low, and regularly review your credit report for errors. Responsible credit management can help you achieve your financial goals and provide greater financial flexibility. Setting financial goals is an essential first step toward building a secure future. By clearly defining what you want to achieve, whether it's saving for a vacation, buying a home, or preparing for retirement, you create a roadmap for your financial journey. Developing a plan to reach these goals helps you stay focused and make informed decisions about spending and saving. Both short-term and long-term objectives are important, as they provide motivation and structure to your financial habits. With a well-crafted plan, you can track your progress and make adjustments as needed to stay on course. Taking control of your personal finances is a journey that requires commitment, awareness, and ongoing effort. By understanding your financial situation and making informed decisions, you can build a more secure and confident future. Remember, small steps taken consistently can lead to significant improvements over time. With the right strategies and mindset, managing your money becomes not just a task, but a valuable skill that empowers you throughout life.